Great. Let me guess. Naglagay ka ng isang powerful card lang. Sa akin. O yan, ganun ako ah. 3. Ito. Hey guys, it's me again, playing with my cheating sister.
Wala nga mga plus eh.
That's lying because
Anong
she
gagawin
cheated.
ko sa reverse?
Wait. Because she cheated on the first part.
Oh,
Pretty crazy, right? She's crazy.
double.
You don't be worried, she's crazy. Just kidding. Your turn.
Wala ako.
I. No, bro, I know you're capping right now.
Uno. Double.
I knew it! Cheater, cheater,
Hoy,
cheater,
hindi yan
cheater, cheater,
cheating. Ikaw
cheater,
kaya maglagay.
cheater. I lose. Because
Ikaw kaya
he cheated.